Here we have even older, officially licensed NFC 250 NFL Dog Pound. Dog Pound, what could that be? Congrats, you're the proud owner of a fine Zippo product. Pretty cool. Nice little NFL officially licensed product sticker. Let's see. Nice 10. Some literature. The Dog Pound. Cleveland Brown Dog Pound. Sticker on the back. Possibly fired. Let's see. Definitely the sensor's been taken in and out. Just the date on the bottom. The insert. Yellowing. It's another way to tell if your Zippos have been used with fuel or incorrect fuel, is kind of the color and condition of the bottom felt pad. This is yellow, so probably using. Probably using incorrect fuel. But no flint in there. I'll put it all back together and just like that. Ready to be displayed.